Yeah, our next topic in BTech first year second sem, the final unit is the vector integration. So in the vector integration, the problems are based on line integral, surface integral, volume integral. After that, Gauss divergence theorem, Green's theorem and Stokes theorem. So let me discuss about the first one, line integral. So here the line integral formula is curl integral f dot dr, where f is equals to f1 plus f2j plus f3k, and the r vector is xi plus yj plus zk. Then dr is equals to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. F dot dr multiplication is f dot dr. So with respect of I, j, k values, f1 dx, f2 dy and f3 dz. Now curl integral f dot dr is equals to integration of f1 dx plus integration of f2 dy plus integration of f3 dz. Let me see a problem. Evaluate curl integral f dot dr, where f is equals to x square I plus y square j and c is the curve, y is equals to x square in the xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 1. So here is the problem. Current f dot dr, where f is equals to, and see the curve y equals to x square between the points 0, 0 and 1, 1. So here let me do the curve integral f dot dr. So before that one, let me write. So what, first of all, we know that let r is equals to xi plus yj plus zk, but here we don't have zk because the curve is here x square I plus y square j. There is no k, so we have to take the r vector as xi plus yj. Dr is equals to dxi plus dyj. Now let me do the curve integral f dot dr. Curve integral f is x square I plus y square j and dr is dxi plus dyj. With respect of x vector, we can multiply here with respect of these variables x square dx plus with respect of j we multiply y square dy. Curve integral. Now here we have to find the points of the limit points of the integration. So by putting the values of y, dy, we get the curve is here, we have y square. Here we are going to find the limit points of the integration. So from the given curve y equals to x square, dy is equals to x square dx. If y is equals to 0 from the given point, x equals to 0, and if y is equals to 1, x equals to 1. With respect of that, here we draw the line. So this is a line integral we have to find. Now we have the point. So where we can take with respect of x, with respect of y, that is our choice. So here I have taken with respect of x. So x varies from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and f dot dr we have x square dx plus y square dy. So x square dx plus in place of y square, y is equals to x square and square dy is 2x dx. After that simplification, we will get the answer. Let me see the another problem. Find the work done by f is equals to this one, and the curve here along a curve c. Here curve is here x square plus y square is equals to 9. A circular equation with the radius of r square is equals to 9. So r is equals to 3. Let z is equals to 0. So let we do f dot dr. I j k. So xy xyj plus zk. Dr is equals to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Now in xy plane, we know that z coordinate is 0, so dz is equals 0. By doing f dot dr, f1 dx plus f2 dy, we're like this, f1 into this one 2xy. Here z equals to 0, we mentioned 2x minus y into dx f dot dr plus x plus y is equals to 0 into dy plus dz is equals to 0. So 0 something is 0. Now curve integral f dot dr with respect of the circle x square plus y square equals to 9. So here we are going to introduce the polar coordinates, that x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. I said you that this is in the form of x square plus y square equals to r square, where r is equals to 3. So x equals to r cos theta means 3 cos theta, y equals to r sin theta means 3 sin theta. Dx dy differentiation. So now it will become as in with respect of theta. So theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 360 degrees. Now work done f dot dr is equals to f dot dr. Already we have done f dot dr, substituted here. Now the limit values are theta to 2 pi, theta equals to 0 to 2 pi. By simplifying this, we will get the 18 pi is the answer. This is the line integral to solve the problems. Now we have the surface integral. Next topic is surface integral. So surface integral formula, here we have integral f dot nds is equals to double integration of f1 dy dz, f2 dz dx and f3 dx dy. So generally we can write that the given problem, if R1 be the projection of S on xy plane, then surface integral f dot nds is equals to double integration with respect of the region R1 f dot n dx dy by n dot k. If it is in xy plane, we have to write n dot k. Clear? And with respect of, similarly, with respect of the R2 means yz. If it is yz, then we have to write n dot I. And with respect to zx, we have to write n dot j. Whereas xy plane, n dot k, f dot n by modulus of n dot k, xy plane n dot k, where ds can be written as dx dy. So with respect of yz plane is this one, with respect of zx plane is this one. Here he mentioned R and R3 be the projection of S and yz zx planes respectively. Let me see a problem in surface integral. So here we have a problem, evaluate surface integral f dot nds where f is equals to, and S is the part of the surface of the plane, this one plane located in the first octant. First octant means here generally we can take the in xy quadrant. That means the first quadrant xy quadrant, whereas in 3-dimensional let we take xy quadrant. Let we assume this one as pi is equals to, then normal to the plane is, we know that del pi, that is del pi is equals to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou v plus k dou pi by dou z. But actually what we are doing, let we see that in xy plane. Just now I said it is in xy plane, first octant means, so here we have to do f dot n by n dot k, f dot n by n dot k. That means here we have to find what is n. Clear? So given plane we have taken pi, the del pi is equals to this one, then unit normal. Just now I said to find n, that is n is equals to 2y plus 3j plus 6k by under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, unit normal form. Already we have done in the vector differentiation, n is equals to a by mod a, like that. So unit vector formula, n is equals to, we got this one. Now let R be the projection of S on xy plane, then the formula surface integral f dot nds is equals to double integration of f dot n dx dy by n dot k. Xy plane will become as, we have to write here n dot k. Now from the given problem only we have f is equals to, given problem we have f is equals to, we have to find f dot n. So corresponding ijk multiply, we will get 6 by 7, 6z minus 6x plus 3y. So we have done f dot n. Of that let we do n dot k. N, we have n is equals to this one, n dot k. With respect of k only will be multiplied, remain I dot k equals 0, j dot k equals 0. So k dot k is equals to 1. So 6 into 1 by 7 is 6 by 7. Now the given surface we have 2x plus 3y plus 6z equals to 12 from the given, and R is of xy plane is 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. It is of xy plane, so therefore z coordinate is 0 in the xy plane. So 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Now y is equals to 12 minus 2x divided by 3. So here we are writing the y limit points. Clear? If y is equals to 0, so here it is in xy plane, z coordinate is 0, so we need to take, then we have to write the, these double integration limit values are with respect to x and with respect to y. So here we have taken y limit points, y varies from 0 to this one, and now we are finding the x limit points. To find out the x limit points, we have to assume as y equals to 0. If y equals to 0, 3 into 0 is 0, 2x equals to 12 and x equals to 6. From this we will get x varies from 0 to 6 and y varies from 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3. Now the surface integral formula, already we have done f dot n, write it here, and n dot k is 6 by 7 dx dy. So 6 by 7 get cancelled, remaining we have this one. So here I wrote minus x plus 3y plus 6z equals to dx dy minus 6. Now here if you can observe that 3y plus 6z, 3y plus 6z, yes, 3y plus 6z is equals to 12 minus 2x from the given plane. See here, 3y plus 6z equals to 12 minus 2x from the given plane. So substitute here to reduce the form. Now we have 6 minus 2x. After doing integration, x varies from, y varies from. If you can do in our general manner, we will get the value as 24. So the next problem will be sorry, evaluate surface integral f dot in ds where is f is equals to, and here the curve is x square plus y equals to 16. There we have 9, here 16, and here he given that z equals 0 and z equals to 5. So in the first statement, that means the similar problem of the last one. First statement means in xy plane. If you do the same, you will get the answer as 90. The next one we have the volume integral. Volume integral is the very simplest topic in the vector differentiation in the 5th unit. The last one, if f is equals to this one, and the formula of volume integral is volume integral of f dot dv, where v is the region bounded by the surfaces x equals 0, x equals to, y equals 0, y equals 6, and z equals to x square, and z equals to 4. You have to do the problem just by simplifying this one. We will get the solution for that with respect of x, y, z. dv is nothing but dx, dy, dz. So let me write surface integral volume integral is, so this is the one, the given f is equals to, now the volume integral is volume integral f dot dv is equals to triple integration. Volume integral means what? Triple integration. Triple integration of f dv. dv is dx, dy, dz. Now with respect of x, y, z limit points, let me write. Already in the question only he mentioned that x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 6, and z varies from x square to 4. So here only we have to write. But here we have to write for the individuals. We have to take the integrations for the individuals because we have I, j, k. The final one will comes in the form of vector. So we have to write for the individuals of this one minus of the triple integration of this one plus triple integration of this one. I of minus j of plus k of. After simplify this one, we will get the solution for this. Clear? Now the similar problems, let we have the same one, but here in the next question he has given in the form of del dot f dv and del cross f. You don't confuse that. This is, you may treat as f, volume integral f dv, volume integral f dv, but before that you have to simplify del dot f. You know del dot f is what? I dou a by dou x plus j dou a by dou a plus k dou a by dou z. Simplify, you will get 2x. So this is f. And the z limit values, x varies from 0 to y varies from, z varies from 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. When y varies from, z equals 0, y varies from 0 to z equals 0. So 4 minus 2x by 2. 4 minus 2x by 2. If we are going to find the x limit values, then y and z coordinates will become 0. Then x varies from 0 to these both of 0 to x equals to 4, x equals to 2. X varies from 0 to 2. X varies from 0 to 2. So these are the limit points. The same manner del cross f is the determinant of this one. Again find the same limit points will be applicable. So this is the procedure of the volume integral. Thank you.